hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ritu and you guys are watching Ritu's Rainbow World. Please ignore, the mic is really heavy than my top, so please ignore this thing. And today, as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about a jewelry haul, but I already did a jewelry haul. I think that video will all go before this video, which is a giveaway number 2 with all the funky jewelries that I got from myself. Now many of you guys might ask from where did you got this particular home decor. So I have already mentioned in my home decor haul, I think Amazon home decor haul I have already mentioned, so please don't ask separately from where did I get it and all of that stuff. I have already mentioned this entire thing. So today is a haul of a jewelry which is not something which is oxidized or funky. It is a kind of Indian wear. So those who are watching this video for the first time, my name is Ritu and I make videos on shopping reviews, something that I tried for the first time. I do make a review on that. I do make vlogs and makeup tutorials, any kind of Meesho or any kind of haul. Very soon Myntra haul will come. So all these things, whatever I do in my life, I kind of share. I try to share as much as I can. So yes, that's all about it. You will get a lot of other contents. So if you really wanted to check out what all videos I make, you can definitely go in the video section and definitely check that out. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. Now these are the jewelries that I got from Mrs. Shatarupa Chandravanti. She's also an online seller on Facebook, so I will definitely link her profile down so that in case you wanted to purchase, you can definitely go ahead and purchase that. This is something which is really ethnic wear. They are not western wear, they are not funky wears. I made a separate video, you can definitely check out. I will give it in the I button somewhere here. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. The first thing first, I will start with a beautiful finger ring that I got from her. It's a very pretty finger ring. This is a finger ring that somewhere looks like this. This is very pretty. Please ignore my nail color. I have to fix this. But this is what the finger ring looks like. It's a very dual tone, which is silver as well as the gold. It's a dual tone. So, and this is completely adjustable. I will just show you. It is pretty much adjustable at the back. The back of the jewelry will show the quality of the jewelry. They are very good quality and the work is extremely amazing. It's a dual tone. It is very ethnic and I love this. This is the jewelry that I love. She has a product which are very affordable. She has a lot of variety of product and all are very much affordable in range. Now something I have got for married women, they can wear it, or I think nowadays everybody wears this. This is something in Bengal and Odisha they wear, red and white kind of a bangle. So this is a white bangle with this kind of a work. It's a very beautiful work. I hope I'm able to make you understand. So this is what the work is. It's very pretty. It's a white fabric. It's not the real shaka. We call it in Bengali shaka, but it's not a real shaka. It's plastic and very friendly to use it, and it looks very pretty. I'm just gonna show you. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty, very sleek, and extremely stylish. I really love this. It's something which will not break, and you can also work with, you know, having this on your hand. It will not trouble you. The back of this is something like this. It's very pretty. So this is the second one. Third one is a Paula, which is a red bangle, and it somewhere looks like this. It's a little thick with all the fish cut. It looks very pretty, guys. Very pretty, and also we have a little bit of cuts here, and it looks very pretty. So this is something which is again of plastic fiber, so it will not affect anything while you are working. So this is the second thing. Very reasonable. I don't remember the price, but they are all very reasonable. I think within 100 or 200 ka range this is, and it's a regular wear product, so I think the water and other things will not hamper this, but only thing is keep it away from the perfume. The next is this is again a very beautiful design. That's how it looks like. This is another thing. Next thing, I have a tie chain, which is very much trending nowadays, and this is what the tie chain is. It's a kind of Krishna's tie chain. I'm just going to show it here. It's very pretty, by the way. Tie chain, again, few are adjustable, few are not adjustable, but this is what the tie chain is. It is very pretty. If I show you on this better. So this is how the tie chain looks like. It's very pretty. And I think this is also adjustable. No, this is not adjustable, but it looks very pretty. Okay, so I will move to the next one, which is a kind of Kundan jewelry. It's a very heavy one and it looks very elegant. Comes with an earpiece, and I'll just arrange this. This needs a little to arrange because it's like a real heavy one. So this is what it is. This is completely Kundan work of green and then white stone, and also down it will be like this kind of beads. So it's really pretty. I really like it. It goes very good with any lehenga or sari, but I think this is a very elegant jewelry. I have some occasion coming, so that can be worn. It's very pretty, little heavy, but goes well with sari or kind of Banarasi sari. Comes with a earring. So the earring is again very pretty. The earring somewhere looks like this, exactly like a neck piece. It is again very pretty. I really like the earring as well with the set. It's very good. I think you can wear this with a long gown as well. It completely depends on how you can carry it. Okay, the tie chain comes with a beautiful earrings. So I just got it now. It's very pretty. And the Kundan set itself is a showstopper today. I really love this. I'll show it again. And I think if I wear it, if you wanted to see me in this, please follow me on Instagram. So there are some shoots if I can wear. You can definitely see me wearing this particular Kundan ka set. And if you really wanted to see what all I wear, like the jewelry, the dress, whatever I just show you, I do wear them. It's not just because I promote. This is not a promoted video. I have paid myself for all the jewelry, so it is not at all promotional. It is something that I have purchased and I wanted to share, is because I am doing it. The last is a oxidized one. I'm just gonna pin this. This is very statement, kind of a statement piece. I'm sorry for the noise. So this somewhere looks like this. It is very pretty. So it gets stuck completely on your neck and looks very elegant. So once you wear it, the look will completely come. Very much oxidized, very much ethnic, and also comes with a earring. And the earrings are also very elegant, so I think this can be worn as a statement piece. So you can just wear this. Again, it's an ethnic wear, but again, if you can carry it with the western gowns, it will look very pretty. So that's pretty much, I loved, I always, not the first time I am purchasing from her, but whenever I purchase, I always love the collection and everything from her. I have made a separate video of also the Indo-Western collection, and I have actually loved all the variety and the purchase and the quality at a very reasonable price. So that's pretty much for today's video. Do comment me down which is your favorite piece, because if you are lucky enough, you can win a giveaway as well. I will link her profile down in the description box so that you can also follow her live and also make your own purchase. So that's pretty much. I am also available on Instagram as Ritu's Rainbow World, the same as my YouTube channel. Please follow me over there for a lot of updates. If I'm wearing some jewelry that I purchased and I loved, I will be wearing, and any outfit that I love, I will be wearing. So you can always see me there wearing and trying a lot of other products. So that's pretty much. I will definitely see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Corona is not yet gone, so please be a little cautious. I can see everybody behaving as if there was nothing. So please be little safe, little cautious, get yourself vaccinated. Don't believe in any myths. I have made a separate video of it. Do not go in any myths. Get yourself vaccinated. And that's pretty much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.